morning, Ramanan. How are you?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Harish.
Good to hear. Just needed to understand what were the issues that were plaguing you, when we met first.
Main reason why I was there was to address a particular condition which I had. It is called trigeminal neuralgia. It's a nerve pain, which is a very debilitating nerve pain, and the reasons are not known actually. It is probably the pain is due to some nerve compression.
Yeah, what effects does it have on you?
The effect is a very cruel effect it has. A slowly degenerating pain. It starts like a very a minor shock-like thing, which is the starting stage of that condition.
Okay.
For me, it was in the forehead. It was in the forehead, and also a shooting pain from the upper lip and this thing. So. And you'll never know what triggers it also. Many times you just take your hand close to your face, it might get triggered.
Wow.
Many times you can't speak, you can't smile. It will just start off like a small, harmless shock wave like that. And it will last for only seconds, only 2 seconds, 3 seconds like that. But after it gets worse, as the condition gets worse, the pain is very, very unbearable. It is like putting an axe on your head when you just smile or for the slightest movement of your face or something, some touch. It can be due to anything. You can't brush your teeth, you can't smile, you can't speak also many times. So everything will send a shooting pain along with a combination of an electric shock and a cutting pain on your head, forehead, and it can just stone you. Whatever you are doing, you just have to stop.
Wow.
Nothing can't move. But the onlooker might not know what I am going through because there is nothing outside. There is no blood coming. There is nothing outside. And the pain is totally inside, and it's nerve pains. I am told that is one of the worst pains, form of pains. It's not like an injury, a pain from an injury or a surgery or this thing.
It also has a very notorious, notorious name attached to it.
It is actually called. It can push people to suicide because it doesn't. There is no proper cure in Western medical allopathy system.
Okay.
And many people I know, I've been closely associated with many facial pain patients.
Okay.
So these people, they know they have been ailing for so many days, so many years, I should say, years and years.
Like in modern medicine, they call it idiopathic, cause unknown.
Idiopathic.
Right.
Yeah. Cause unknown in my case. Thing is, actually, cure is not there, actually. Many people, for some surgery called decompression, vascular decompression surgery has worked for some people, not for all, actually. And the medicines is carbamazepine is the only drug which they prescribe, and the carbamazepine is notoriously famous for its side effects. Normally, it is given for treating epilepsy patients, and in a curious way, it helps reduce the pain also.
And side effects could be blood pressure.
Right. In my case, it was blood pressure. It can be dizziness. It can be from harmless dizziness to many serious. Missing this drug can cause serious issues.
Okay. So now you've been aligned with nature. So how many days is it since it has happened? And have you seen any changes?
I came there with a skeptical mind, and I was not very sure whether it will work for me. But anyway, I was in a corner of my mind. I was secretly hoping for a miracle to happen. I knew full well that I had no solution in allopathy. In my own research, I found that many people who had gone for homeopathy, Ayurveda, and all, I've come to know that it has failed also there.
Okay. So
And-
here you stopped your medications on day one. I'm sure, like you said, you were skeptical. But what are the results you are experiencing, and in how many days?
Instant, like I never even seen English medicine work this fast. Allopathy medicine, normally you pop a pill, your headache goes off.
Right.
Another 10 minutes. Like that, it just went off. The frequency went off. I started having confidence, building confidence in the absolutely comfortable. I have a mild shock, this thing. I'm sure know that it is getting cured, and instances have decreased, and it was not like before.
So,
I'm in fact thankful, grateful, or
right. If I
or even more.
Yeah. So if I may reiterate, it's about 13, 14 days since you started this new thing, since you stopped medication. The intensity has certainly gone down immensely, and the frequency has reduced largely. Now there are just a few shocks which have reduced and totally without medication. And isn't that beautiful?
Without medication.
Excellent. Right. Very, very happy for you, Ramanan, and hope we can share this with so many other people who are suffering similar ailments, so that they can see the light at the end of the rainbow, that after all there is hope and there are possibilities to change your life without medication.